Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Additional Source Income. Today we're going to go over part 1 of 2 of Make Money Online Listening to Songs. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over popular platforms for making money by listening to songs, common misconceptions about making money by listening to songs, and success stories of people who have made money through this method. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Make money online listening to songs. Are you someone who loves music and wants to earn some additional income? You're in the right treat. In this modern era of technology, there are countless opportunities to make money online, and one of the most enjoyable and distinctive methods is by getting paid to listen to music. Yes, that's correct. Now you can earn money by simply indulging in your favorite tunes. How does it work? You might be wondering how exactly you can make money by listening to songs. The process is quite simple and straightforward. There are platforms and websites that connect music lovers like yourself with artists, record labels, or even music streaming services that are looking for feedback on their songs. These platforms act as intermediaries, allowing you to earn money in exchange for your valuable opinions. When you sign up for one of these platforms, you'll typically be asked to create a profile and provide information about your musical preferences. This helps the platform to match you with songs that align with your taste. You'll then be able to listen to these songs and provide feedback, which can range from rating the songs on a scale of 1 to 10, writing a short review, or answering specific questions about the track. The feedback you provide is valuable to artists and labels as it helps them understand how their music is being received by the audience. This information can then be used to improve their songs or make informed decisions about their music career. In return for your feedback, you'll receive compensation, which can vary depending on the platform and the specific task. Popular platforms for making money by listening to songs. Now that you understand how it works, let's explore some popular platforms that allow you to make money by listening to songs. These platforms have gained popularity in recent years and have successfully connected music lovers with artists and labels. Here are a few notable ones. Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie is one of the most well-known platforms in the music reviewing industry. It offers a wide variety of songs across different genres for you to review. The more detailed and constructive your feedback, the higher your earning will be. Slice the Pie also offers referral bonuses, contests, and the opportunity to become a scout, which can further increase your earnings. Music X-Ray. Music X-Ray connects artists and labels with fans who are willing to listen to and review their songs. The platform uses a matching algorithm to ensure that you receive songs that align with your musical preferences. Music X-Ray also offers the opportunity to earn additional income by participating in focus groups or becoming a talent scout. Hit Predictor. Hit Predictor is a platform that focuses on testing songs before they are released to the public. By providing feedback on these pre-release tracks, you can help artists and labels determine which songs have the potential to be successful. Hit Predictor offers rewards such as Amazon gift cards and the chance to win concert tickets. These are just a few examples of the platforms available, and there are many more out there. It's important to do your research and find the ones that best suit your preferences and earning goals. Remember, each platform may have its own unique features and compensation structure. So take the time to read reviews and understand the terms and conditions before getting started. Tips for maximizing your earnings. Now that you know where to find these opportunities, let's dive into some tips for maximizing your earnings. While listening to songs and providing feedback may seem straightforward, there are some strategies you can employ to increase your income potential. Be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to making money by listening to songs. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to listen to and review songs. This will not only help you earn more, but also improve your reputation on the platform, which can lead to additional opportunities. Provide detailed feedback. When reviewing songs, don't just focus on giving a numerical rating. Take the time to provide constructive feedback that artists and labels can use to improve. Comment on the lyrics. Comment on the lyrics, melody, production quality, and overall impact of the song. The more valuable your feedback, the more likely you are to be rewarded. Participate in bonus opportunities. Many platforms offer bonus opportunities that can boost your earnings. These can include participating in contests, referring friends to the platform, or completing additional tasks such as sharing songs on social media. Keep an eye out for these opportunities and take advantage of them whenever possible. Stay up to date with new releases. Some platforms may prioritize giving feedback on newly released songs. To maximize your earnings, make sure you stay up to date with the latest releases and provide feedback on them as soon as possible. This can increase your chances of receiving higher compensation and being recognized as an active member of the platform. By following these tips, you can make the most of your experience and increase your earning potential while enjoying your favorite songs. Common misconception about making money by listening to songs. As with any online money-making opportunity, there are some common misconceptions that we need to address. It's important to have a clear understanding of what to expect to avoid disappointment or misunderstandings. Here are a few misconceptions about making money by listening to songs. It's a get-rich-quick scheme. While it is possible to make money by listening to songs, it's important to manage your expectations. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and the amount you earn will depend on various factors such as the platform you choose, the number of tasks available, and the quality of your feedback. Treat it as a fun and rewarding side hustle rather than a primary source of income. You don't need any musical knowledge. While you don't need to be a music expert to make money by listening to songs, having some musical knowledge and understanding can be beneficial. Being able to provide thoughtful and informed feedback will not only increase your earnings, but also enhance your overall experience. It's a passive income opportunity. While it may seem like a passive income opportunity where you can earn money while listening to songs, it does require active participation. You need to actively listen to songs, provide feedback, and stay engaged with the platform to maximize your earnings. It's not something you can set and forget. Understanding these misconceptions will help you approach this opportunity with the right mindset and avoid any unrealistic expectations. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.